Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Nintendo Switch 2. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the Switch 2. I was looking on Amazon for some cases for the Switch 2 and I came upon this one. And we all know Spigen from phone cases, so I said, hey, why not try out this one for the Nintendo 2. I did review the Glass TR and the other case from Spigen for this device, so go check out those videos if you want to. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk? Can you use the little Joy-Con separately? Does it fit the docking bay? Just some of the things you look for in the case video. Like I said, I'm gonna have the links in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. But if you know Spigen, you know the box. That's pretty much the box right there. Bam, let's open this bad boy up. It looks like it's been through Amazon delivery there. So you get a little lanyard there, a little strap to hold it. I probably would never use that. But it is a one-piece case. It has instruction on how to install it. Hopefully it's not hard. But here it is. The one thing I already know that you cannot use this with the docking station. So you're going to have to take it off. You have the Spigen logo there. It won't show your Nintendo Switch on the back there. And the other thing is, you cannot use this case and take off the Joy-Cons. You'll have to take the case off to use the Joy-Cons too. So if that's a bummer for y'all, then you may not want to pick up this case. But you kind of want to put this part on first a little bit. Get that in. And then kind of just pop the bottom in there. Wrap that around. And bam. So it's in there secured. These back pieces for the Joy-Cons do add some bulk, but it gives you something to hold on to. Again, if you place it down, you're not scratching up the back. You have the Spigen logo there. So it's a solid case. If you use your Switch 2 a lot out of the dock, or if you use it outside, then this may be something you want to pick up. Everything lines up. You have a lot of room to get your cartridge in and out. Bam, you have room to click the buttons there on both sides. Again, you can't use the Joy-Con separately, but I do like the design. It gives you something to hold on to. Everything at the bottom lines up as far as the speakers, the charging part there. So it's not a bad case. It fits well. I mean, it's not loose at all. Bam. Does it add bulk? It adds a little bit, but it's not really a heavy case either, believe it or not. Bam. I just like the protection you get. You got protection all the way around. Now, I don't know what y'all think about taking this off every time you want to put it in the dock. Let's see how hard it is to take out. Pretty much the same way you put it in. Yeah, it comes out easy. So it wouldn't be like a hard task to do to take it off. Now, will you remember to put it back on? Maybe, maybe not. But overall, hey, it's just another way of protecting your Nintendo Switch. It's not a cheap device. So if you use this a lot out of the docking bay, you want protection. So, and this gives it to you. Like I said, everything lines up. Feels great in the hands. I don't know what y'all think about it. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nintendo Switch 2. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.